Hoy aprenderemos sobre mascotas. Escucha, entiende y repite. Primero en inglés, después en español, y otra vez en inglés.
Today we will learn about pets. Listen, understand, and repeat. First in English, then Spanish, then English again. I have a very friendly dog at home.
Tengo un perro muy amigable en casa.
I have a very friendly dog at home. His name is Max and he is 3 years old.
Su nombre es Max y tiene 3 años.
His name is Max and he is 3 years old. Tomorrow is World Dog Day.
Mañana es el Día Mundial del Perro.
Tomorrow is World Dog Day. Many people around the world love dogs.
Mucha gente en todo el mundo ama a los perros.
Many people around the world love dogs. Dogs are loyal and very smart animals.
Los perros son animales leales y muy inteligentes.
Dogs are loyal and very smart animals. Max has brown fur and a short tail.
Max tiene pelaje marrón y una cola corta.
Max has brown fur and a short tail. He always sleeps on a soft blue blanket.
Él siempre duerme sobre una manta azul suave.
He always sleeps on a soft blue blanket. I feed my dog twice a day.
Alimento a mi perro 2 veces al día.
I feed my dog twice a day. He drinks fresh water from his bowl.
Él bebe agua fresca de su plato.
He drinks fresh water from his bowl. Do you have a dog or a cat?
¿Tienes un perro o un gato?
Do you have a dog or a cat? Max loves to go for long walks.
A Max le encanta ir a dar largos paseos.
Max loves to go for long walks. We walk in the park every morning.
Caminamos en el parque todas las mañanas.
We walk in the park every morning. He runs fast on the green grass.
Él corre rápido sobre la hierba verde.
He runs fast on the green grass. I throw a small red ball for him.
Le lanzo una pequeña pelota roja.
I throw a small red ball for him. Max can fetch the ball very quickly.
Max puede traer la pelota muy rápidamente.
Max can fetch the ball very quickly. He wags his tail when he is happy.
Él mueve la cola cuando está feliz.
He wags his tail when he is happy. Some dogs help people who cannot see.
Algunos perros ayudan a personas que no pueden ver.
Some dogs help people who cannot see. They are called guide dogs.
Ellos son llamados perros guía.
They are called guide dogs. Police dogs are strong and help keep us safe.
Los perros policías son fuertes y ayudan a mantenernos a salvo.
Police dogs are strong and help keep us safe. My neighbors have a big black dog.
Mis vecinos tienen un perro negro grande.
My neighbors have a big black dog. He is friendly but he barks a lot.
Él es amigable pero ladra mucho.
He is friendly but he barks a lot. Max does not bark at other animals.
Max no ladra a otros animales.
Max does not bark at other animals. He is quiet and very calm.
Él es silencioso y muy tranquilo.
He is quiet and very calm. We should take care of our pets.
Deberíamos cuidar a nuestras mascotas.
We should take care of our pets. Pets need love, food, and a safe home.
Las mascotas necesitan amor, comida y un hogar seguro.
Pets need love, food, and a safe home. I take Max to the vet every year.
Llevo a Max al veterinario todos los años.
I take Max to the vet every year. The vet checks his health and teeth.
El veterinario revisa su salud y sus dientes.
The vet checks his health and teeth. Max is very healthy and strong.
Max está muy sano y fuerte.
Max is very healthy and strong. He likes to play with my cousins.
A él le gusta jugar con mis primos.
He likes to play with my cousins. Children learn responsibility with a pet.
Los niños aprenden responsabilidad con una mascota.
Children learn responsibility with a pet. Can your dog perform any tricks?
¿Puede tu perro hacer algún truco?
Can your dog perform any tricks? Max can sit and give his paw.
Max puede sentarse y dar la pata.
Max can sit and give his paw. I give him a treat when he listens.
Le doy un premio cuando escucha.
I give him a treat when he listens. Training a dog takes time and patience.
Entrenar a un perro requiere tiempo y paciencia.
Training a dog takes time and patience. I brush his fur every weekend.
Cepillo su pelaje cada fin de semana.
I brush his fur every weekend. He does not like to take a bath.
A él no le gusta tomar un baño.
He does not like to take a bath. But he enjoys the warm water.
Pero él disfruta el agua tibia.
But he enjoys the warm water. Dogs can understand many human words.
Los perros pueden entender muchas palabras humanas.
Dogs can understand many human words. They know when we are happy or sad.
Ellos saben cuando estamos felices o tristes.
They know when we are happy or sad. Max sits next to me when I study.
Max se sienta junto a mí cuando estudio.
Max sits next to me when I study. He keeps me company all the time.
Él me hace compañía todo el tiempo.
He keeps me company all the time. Having a dog is a great experience.
Tener un perro es una gran experiencia.
Having a dog is a great experience. There are many dogs without a home.
Hay muchos perros sin un hogar.
There are many dogs without a home. Adopting a dog is a wonderful action.
Adoptar un perro es una acción maravillosa.
Adopting a dog is a wonderful action. You can find a loyal friend at a shelter.
Puedes encontrar un amigo leal en un refugio.
You can find a loyal friend at a shelter. Let's celebrate our dogs tomorrow.
Celebremos a nuestros perros mañana.
Let's celebrate our dogs tomorrow. Thank you for taking care of your pets.
Gracias por cuidar de tus mascotas.
Thank you for taking care of your pets. Dogs make our lives much happier.
Los perros hacen nuestras vidas mucho más felices.
Dogs make our lives much happier.
Suscríbete para recibir lecciones nuevas cada día. Dale like para apoyar al canal. Comenta si quieres temas específicos que te ayuden a tu propósito.
Subscribe for new lessons every day. Like to support the channel. Comment if you want specific topics that help your purpose.